Yeah. So what is load balancer is something a load balancer serves as the single point of contact for clients, which distributes incoming application traffic across multiple targets. Okay, such as EC2 instance in multiple availability zones. This increases the availability of your application, and you add one or more listeners to your load balancer. So basically, what does it mean? I'll tell you here. This is the actually definition. So, what does it mean? Okay, if you are just using load balancer, no, so it will distributes the what you call is distribute the traffic. It is distributing to the traffic to the available server. So whatever servers uh, it will be distributed. So basically, like if we have two servers and all, so if traffic is going one in one server, it is traffic is going high. So in this, suppose if you are not using load balancer, the what is the consequences? I'll explain you. Suppose these are the users. Okay, yeah. So these are the users, and suppose this is the server. Okay. So what suppose this is the web app which is which has been like traffic various from various users. So suppose yeah. So these are the actually users, and they are sending they are requesting the servers, like multiple users requesting the service from this server. Okay. So what happens no, if servers has few capacity, if that capacity till it reaches no, so it will not be able to provide the services. So what happens, so in that case this server will be not reachable. So in that case we have to we have to put the load balancer. So load balancer, what we will do, so load balancer and auto scaling both are actually interrelated. Yeah. So we will putting the load balancer here in between. Okay. So this is the load balancer. So we are naming as LB. So what it will do, then it will in load balancer we have to if you have provided two servers, so equal proportionally it will be traffic will be shared. Suppose if it is reaching 50%, it should be also 50%. If it is in 60% in this server, the traffic is more, then uh, they will be sending the request to the this server where traffic is less. So it works like that load balancer. So if you are the and also auto is what auto scaling does. Scaling will be doing if you are this server this is the this server is in another region. Suppose this server is in A region. Okay, one A region. So there will be multiple regions, right? So if you are putting all the servers in one region, so one region if some issue happen, if it is not working, so completely your service will be completely disturbed, which is like large organization they cannot bear, right? So what they are doing, they are creating their servers to different regions. So in different regions, if their servers are there, then they can easily, like if one region got failed, from other reason automatically it will be fetched the request and response. So suppose there is a website. Suppose this is the We are using suppose this website for flipkart.com. Okay, so fk.com I'm writing in so like so. So in this sales time now, so the request will be more. So how they are managing, how their servers are always up to running, like up to date. They are just not a second they cannot close their website, or they it should not be any error key servers not reachable or something. So how they are managing? They are using the load balancer in between. So they will be like using the load balancer and auto scaling, both the concepts. So what will happen if, like, suppose this region has server has been down, some due to some reason, likewise any reason take it. So what auto scaling will do? There will be creating new servers. Auto scaling will be creating new servers. Meanwhile, all the traffics will be sending to the other server which has already in another region we have. So in that case, the service is not like delayed or corrupted. Okay. So basically, this is the concept for load balancing. So what it happens? Distribute traffic to available servers. You can understand by the figure like how they are distributing. And fault tolerance, yeah, this is the main reason. It like if it is there will be fault if any server, then they will be sending request to the other server. And it is high also. Suppose if you are using only one server and there during sales time and all, then this server will be automatically getting more request and it will be automatically will be down, right? So in that case, we are using the another server for that. So a load balancer helps in that. So there won't be any faults. So high availability, as I said, like it is available of 24 to 7 uh, anytime, and it should not go down. That application or web app should not go like a second, they cannot bear it for like it should be down or what. So this is the basic concept. Because of this, they are using load balancing or auto scaling. Auto scaling, I have already told you, right? That day. So load balancer. This is the how many types of load balancer we have. So there will be, yeah. I have forgot one thing. There will be targets and target groups. So what are the targets? There might be targets, might be different kinds of might be IP targeting, there might be instance based type targeting. So we are here seeing instance based. So EC2 instance based we will be seeing the target, and the group is what, the many targets within a within a one group. So that is called target group. That is what. And listener will be inside the load balancer. He will be listening all the rules. There will be many rules and all. So it is. So basically, there are three types of load balancer. So application load balancer and network load balancer. Basically, two types mainly. But in AWS, before it was using one more load balancer which is called elastic load balancer, but that is not usable now. Now they have separated this application load balancer and network load balancer. So there are application load balancer, it is using it is using https protocol. And the network load balancer, TCP, UDP, these protocols are has been used. So it works on, network load balancer works on layer 4, which is transport layer of OSI model. And the application load balancer is using layer 7. So yeah. So advantages and all I have already explained. So yeah, like other forms of load balancing, cloud load balancing enables you to maximize application performance and reliability. Its advantage over traditional load balancing of on-premise resources are the usually lower cost and the ease of scaling the application up or down match demand. This is what I explained, right? So it is very lower cost they are providing. Like it, how if the traffic is more, then it will be auto scaling will be creating the more servers, and the cost will be on the basis of that. And if there are like no, if they are not using any servers, the traffic is less, then there will be low cost, right? So because the server will be automatically scaling up, scaling down automatically, because of that the cost is optimized in the AWS. So yeah, I have prepared this interview question as well, so I will share all this to you. No worries. Okay, then yeah.